so to begin, I have the rose gold foil flakes and the fine tip glue pen. You can see that I already started with one butterfly, so I will show you how I created the pattern of butterflies on my background page. So I simply will use the silhouette stencil that I had cut out, and I apply the glue pen and then sprinkle the gold foil flakes on top, and immediately I will press them down and buff off all the excess. So again, here you can see there's a little butterfly, and I'm just placing some flakes on top, and they will adhere to the glue, and the remainder will just simply fall off, revealing your stenciled design. This larger butterfly, you can see I'm just placing some pieces of the foil flakes. They're quite delicate, so you have to be a little careful, but once you press them on, they create the most beautiful, beautiful foiled image, and the dimension and the way the flakes come together, it's just beautiful. I absolutely love it, and this is probably one of my most favorite new techniques. And you can always use these pens freehand. I just decided to use the butterfly stencil for this particular project. So you can see I added all my butterflies, and then I also added some additional dimension with the die cuts from the paper.